In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to split, trim, and cut audio in Audacity. If you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. It's super quick and easy, so let's dive in. First things first, open your audio file in Audacity. Once it's loaded up, your timeline will appear with the audio waveforms. To get started, you'll want to figure out where exactly you want to split the track. Find that precise moment in your track by listening through, and then simply click on the timeline at that point. You'll see a vertical line appear indicating where your cursor is placed. Now go ahead and press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. Instantly, Audacity will split the track at that spot. You'll see that the audio is now divided into two separate sections. Each section will have its own label at the beginning, confirming that you've successfully made the split. If you're interested in moving a section around, it's really simple. Head to the top toolbar and find the Time Shift tool, which looks like a small hand icon. Click on it. With the tool selected, you can click and drag your audio segment left or right along the timeline to adjust its position with ease. By doing so, you can reorder sections of your audio track to better suit your project's needs. Now, for those moments when precision is key, you can go even further. Use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the playback cursor slightly to get to just the right spot before splitting. Once you are satisfied with the exact position, press Ctrl+I again to make another clean split. Moving on, if trimming is what you're after, here's what you need to do. To cut or trim a portion of your audio, highlight the section you want to remove. Once highlighted, press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This action will delete that portion from your track. But don't worry if you didn't mean to delete it entirely. If you want to use it elsewhere, click on the spot where you'd like it to reappear in your timeline and press Ctrl+V. The audio segment will be pasted right there, allowing you to easily rearrange different parts of your soundtrack. And there you have it. You've just learned how to quickly split, trim, and cut audio in Audacity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future Audacity tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.